Hello guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm presenting you the Louis Vuitton Monogram Emilie wallet. Enjoy! The Louis Vuitton Emilie wallet measures 7.5 in length by 3.9 in height and by 0.8 inches in width. As you can see, there are two large inside flat pockets, one large gazetted compartment, and one middle zip coin pocket, and 4 credit card slots. For me, this Emilie wallet is very handy. I can carry a lot of credit cards if I must, cash, or even some change without being too bulky. I think this is a very good investment and very versatile wallet for everyday use.